guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with my new video, and as you can see that there is going to be something different in this video, and in the further videos I'll be going to post. Yes, I'll be giving you a detailed idea about everything, about the material which I am going to use, about the things I will prefer you. I will give you the instances of everything. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you already know that wall hangings are most prominent on my channel, and let me say this to you that I love making wall hangings. I have brought a new wall hanging for you, and which is for that I have taken a hexagonal piece of cardboard. I have cut it into a perfect size of side 10 centimeter each. If you want more big than this, then you can take either 15 or 20, but I guess it's the best in size. Also, I have taken these strips. I'm going to paste them horizontally and vertically on that hexagon. Let me show this to you. Like this I'm going to paste, and I will color it completely after pasting with black acrylic color. I'm not using watercolor here because watercolors are less resistant. So let's get started. I have taken two green papers. One is light green and the other is dark green. I will make a leaf out of it and I will show that to you. As you can see that I have made a flower out of white paper. It has 9 layers, and I will make 2 more flowers out of orange and red color, and I will show that to you. have this colorful thermocol balls which I will cut from between, and I will paste on the cross section of hexagon. Also, I have this decorative material which I will paste on its sides. If you watched my video completely, a big thanks to you. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye bye until my next video.